exploring the basics of primordial elements. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often captivates our imagination: primordial elements. This term might sound complex, but we're here to break it down together. Understanding this phrase can unlock a fascinating aspect of language and how it connects to various fields of knowledge. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the meaning behind primordial elements. First, let's dissect the term into two parts. We begin with primordial. This adjective is used to describe something that is primary or original, something that has existed since the beginning of time. In many contexts, it's associated with the very early stages of the universe, Earth, or even ideas. Think of it as referring to the ancient, or first instances of existence. Moving on to the second part, we have elements. In the broadest sense, elements refer to fundamental components or basic substances that make up a larger system. This could mean anything from chemical elements in science, like hydrogen and oxygen, to more abstract concepts such as elements of thought in philosophy. When we combine these two words to form primordial elements, we're talking about the fundamental substances or components that have existed since the very beginning of time. This phrase can be used in various contexts, including science, philosophy, and mythology, to refer to the basic building blocks of the universe, life, or ideas that are considered ancient and original. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. In cosmology, the term might refer to the simple atoms or particles present just after the Big Bang. In mythology, it could denote the basic forces or entities from which the world and life were formed, such as earth, air, fire, and water. In philosophical discussions, it might be used metaphorically to describe fundamental truths or principles that underpin our understanding of the world. And that's a wrap on our exploration of primordial elements. We've traveled through the meaning of each word and combined them to understand how this phrase can enrich our language and thought. Whether it's the ancient atoms of the cosmos or the foundational principles of existence, primordial elements invites us into a world of fundamental beginnings and basic building blocks. I hope this video has illuminated this fascinating concept for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.